moving the Jeep back up to where we first were. We're currently standing here waiting for the wind. We are getting ready to go for a little Jeep trip, just not too far from home. Going up there just for the evening. Got some friends coming up. Enjoy a little campfire, sleep in the tent. Got the diesel heater along. It's not supposed to get real cold. Probably only gonna be around low 30s probably, so shouldn't be real bad. Just gonna keep getting packed up. Here we got everything in the Jeep packed up, pretty close to being packed up. Diesel heater, kitchen, stove, water, fridge, miscellaneous gear. Still gotta get that on the roof, that in the back. Looks like inside for the dogs, they have a platform I built. Within here, dogs sitting here. Got an 1.5-inch memory foam. Dogs are excited to go, of course. And yeah, we'll see you up there. We are at our destination. We are just gonna go for a short drive through the woods here to see if we can find a little better spot. We got a good spot up top in the parking area, but we like to get back in the woods a little bit further. So the wind wasn't bad up there. It is pretty breezy today, but actually not too bad in the woods. So we're gonna go down here a little further. There's another little opening down here, and we'll see how much room we got and how windy it is down here. So we'll see how that goes. Those are dogs. There's a bunch of turkeys up there, all kinds of them. Hopefully you can see those. There's gotta be 50 to 75 turkeys probably flying out of there right now. That was cool. We're just trying to wait and see how the wind is. Wait for a big gust of wind, and we'll see how it feels down here. We can hear it in the trees pretty good, but we'll see how it actually is down here in ground level. Moving the Jeep back up to where we first were, because it's actually less windy up there. So we're going back up. Very pretty out here, but that's just a little less wind. A lot more trees to the south, where we got a lot of south wind blowing all that warm air in for March 1st, 2nd, 1st. It's March 1st today, 2024. And it's like 52 degrees. Crazy. It's super nice out though. So why not take advantage of it and do a little camping? So set this thing up.
Set up the fire.
It's heavy.
Just trying to drink out of the fire.
upstairs.
Where am I going to set this?
I don't know.
I have the front tire?
Yeah,
Driver's side?
good, yeah.
A lot of water. You don't need to swim in it. I just need to drink out of it.
I'm just getting to this fucking pot. I hope I got something here.
Do you have hooks or something for them?
Oh, man. Walk over here.
Yep. Let's try this stuff.
It's as good as it was last night when we had it.
Yep. Very good. Good stuff though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
The sausage is good. Tomato, basil, chicken sausage. Sounds weird, but
Got like a sweet flavor to it.
yeah. Oh my goodness.
And then people can stand over here.
Did you get all the wood from over there?
Yeah.
What?
Lincoln. Okay, now you guys are safe.
That's true.
Sit and wait. Lincoln, sit.
Always sit.
Wait.
Here comes Jack and Ashley.
Alright, where's my toothbrush? Point me at it.
There we go. Well, friends just left. We are gonna get ready for bed and sleep in. Got the diesel heater going. Fire's nice and warm. Didn't burn near as much firewood as I thought.
No.
This morning we woke up, it was probably 31 degrees. The last night the wind died down to almost nothing, which was just beautiful. Gorgeous night last night. Probably in the low 30s. A little bit cooler this morning as usual, but wind stayed non-existent all night. We ran the diesel heater all night. Actually, I did shut it off around like 1 o'clock in the morning because I was pretty warm. I had it on the lowest setting too. So I shut her down, and about 5 o'clock I turned the heater back on and warmed it back up in there for a little while, and then I got up around 6, got dressed, got down, let the pups out, started a fire, and of course made coffee. Gotta make coffee, man. Coffee is the start of your day. Mia's still in bed. She stayed up there and stayed warm, so yeah. Gonna get back at the camp here in a little while and then make some breakfast. Someone's excited. I know, are you excited? Mom's coming down? Yeah. Oh, venison sausage made from the deer I got last fall.
Very good.
This is like my 4th cup of coffee this morning. A lot of for another walk with the dogs. Beautiful morning. I got about 90 cups of coffee down, so I'm ready to give her. Turkey's been gobbling like crazy all morning. It actually woke me up from my out of sleep. There was, I don't know how many. There's a ton of them though. A lot of them just gobbling like crazy. Up to about, I don't know, half hour ago I stopped hearing them, but they were going at it for hours this morning. It's going super early for that. I haven't heard turkeys gobbling this early in the year for quite a while. Just getting done with our walk. We're gonna finish packing up camp and then head back home. Lincoln's out there trying to find all the chipmunks. All of them.